Cucumbers are not only refreshing and delicious, but they also have some incredible health benefits. Sometimes back, I was struggling to lose weight no matter how much I exercised or how healthy I ate. I was really frustrated and decided to ask my friend for help. She told me to start eating cucumbers every day and see what happens. At first, I thought she was crazy, but I decided to give it a try. After just a week of eating cucumbers every day, I started seeing some incredible changes in my body. In 3 months of taking cucumber juice every day, I lost a lot of weight and my skin also started to glow. If you're looking to add some variety to your diet, cucumbers should be on your list. These vegetables are low in calories and high in nutrients. Cucumbers are also a good source of fiber, which can help keep you feeling full between meals. Here's what you can expect to happen to your body if you eat a cucumber every day. Number 1. You'll boost your immunity. Cucumbers are packed with vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, which is known for its immune-boosting properties. Decaying cucumbers are especially high in vitamin C. A single serving of cucumbers provides around 67% of the recommended daily intake (RDI) of this powerful nutrient. With the immune system, it's not so much about the strength of your defenses, but the quality of them. By supplying your body with high-quality vitamin C, you can help fight off invading bacteria and viruses. Number 2. You'll reduce your risk of cancer. Research has shown that eating cucumbers regularly can help inhibit the growth of cancerous cells. One study discovered that these vegetables have a high concentration of phytochemicals, which are natural compounds that offer significant health benefits. Phytochemicals are extracted from cucumbers and other fruits during the growth process. These compounds help inhibit the growth of cancerous cells, which are known to have a free radical-rich environment. Free radicals can damage healthy cells and lead to cancer. Regularly eating cucumbers can help reduce your risk of this serious disease. By the way, if you find this video useful so far, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Number 3. Improve your digestive health. Cucumbers are a good source of fiber, which improves gastrointestinal health. The fiber found in cucumbers slows down the movement of food through your digestive system, which can help decrease the chances of diarrhea. Cucumbers can also help keep your stomach full, which keeps your blood sugar levels stable. This means that you'll have less energy to gain weight. If you're looking to lose weight, try eating cucumbers as part of a balanced diet. Number 4. Aid in weight loss. Cucumbers are low in calories, making them an ideal food for those who are trying to lose weight or have a healthy body mass index (BMI). If you're trying to lose weight, you can eat cucumbers instead of sugary snacks. The fiber in cucumbers will help keep your hunger at bay, which will help you keep your caloric intake at a healthy level. If you want to lose weight, try eating cucumbers every day. Number 5. Help reduce your risk of heart disease. Most heart diseases are a result of the formation of fatty deposits known as plaque. These fatty deposits in the body can lead to various diseases, including heart disease. Cucumbers are a good source of potassium, which is known for its antioxidative effects on the body. The antioxidative effects can inhibit the formation of fatty deposits in your arteries. Cucumbers are also a good source of beta-carotene. These antioxidants can help reduce the risk of heart disease by inhibiting free radicals, which have been shown to cause inflammation in the body. Number 6. Improve your skin. The act of eating cucumbers can help improve the appearance of your skin. Because they are high in vitamin A, cucumbers can make your skin look brighter, clearer, and more radiant. The vitamin in cucumbers also helps increase collagen production, which can help reduce the visibility of acne-related scars. Number 7. Reduce wrinkles. Cucumbers are rich in collagen, a protein that keeps your skin elastic and flexible. Collagen also helps to support your skin and prevent wrinkles. Cucumbers contain a compound known as cucurbitacin E, which can help the skin to repair and recover from the damage caused by free radicals. Number 8. Improves nervous system health. Cucumbers contain potassium and magnesium, both of which are needed for proper nerve function. Potassium helps regulate your body fluids, including the fluid inside and outside of your cells. When there is too much potassium in your body, excess fluid can be flushed out through urination. This can cause the formation of kidney stones, known as urolithiasis. Magnesium is also an important mineral for your nervous system health. This mineral helps maintain muscle and nerve function, which means that it is essential for maintaining normal brain function as well. Number 9. Fight inflammation. Depletion of the electrolyte potassium can cause an increase in inflammation, which can cause a whole host of health problems. Cucumbers are rich in potassium and magnesium, both of which are important for providing your body with the proper balance of electrolytes. Cucumbers are also a good source of vitamin K, which provides your body with antioxidants that offer anti-inflammatory effects. If you want to reduce inflammation in the body, try eating cucumbers every day. Number 10. Improve cognitive function. There is a lot of research that shows that a high intake of fruits and vegetables can help prevent Alzheimer's disease. Eating cucumbers on a regular basis can help improve brain function and reduce your risk of developing this debilitating condition. Cucumbers are also a good source of vitamin B12, which helps boost brain function. If you want to improve your cognitive function, try eating cucumbers as part of a healthy diet. Cucumbers are a great addition to any healthy diet, especially if you're trying to lose weight. By eating cucumbers every day, you can gain a number of benefits that can improve your overall health. The vitamins and minerals that are found in cucumbers are essential for optimal body health. Cucumbers can help make your skin look brighter and healthier, which makes them a great addition to your beauty regime. Will you start eating a cucumber daily after watching this video? Let us know in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe to watch more.